Hey guys, hope you're well. So the other day I was in a supermarket and I saw miso. I was thinking like, can we make something with miso? So today I'll be teaching you how to make salmon with miso and satay paste. It's really simple. Now let's prepare the side dish first. So using some green beans over here, let's boil the water. And we're gonna put the green beans into the boiling water. Now our beans is almost done. Let's pick them up. We're gonna set this aside and let it cool. Time to pan fry the salmon. Now once the pan is hot, we're gonna throw in some butter. Let's add in the salmon. Always go with the skin down first. It smells amazing. Alright, now I think our skin is slightly crispy. I'm just going to gently flip my salmon over. Once you flip it over, let's turn off the heat and let the remaining heat from the pan just gently cook the top of the salmon. I'm going to remove it from the hob. While the salmon is still in the pan, let's make the sauce. Now I'm using some miso over here, and to that I'm going to add 3 tablespoons of Mak Tok satay chili paste. I'm going to give our sauce a good mix. Right guys, let's start placing them. I'm gonna put all my green beans in the middle. And now we're gonna top it off with our salmon. Last but not least, I'm gonna put our miso satay paste on the side. Right guys, I'm gonna try this now. Wow. Take a bit of our paste. Wow, oh my gosh, this is good. Because our satay paste has got like a nice tangy feel to it. And then to pair this up with salmon as well as the savouriness from the miso paste is just perfect. Now let's try with the skin. Can you hear that? Delicious. So if you're planning to make a really simple and beautiful dish, tasty as well, try this recipe out. So if you like this video recipe, why not give it a thumbs up or share it with your friends? Got any questions? Just leave it in the comments down below and I'll see you next time. Ta-ra!